Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. This one is great for those of you who enjoy sports. The company Gametime is hiring a ticket operations associate. Now, this is full-time remote within the United States only. One thing I do want to note about this position is that while they don't list the pay in the job description, I did some research online, and most online reviews tend to point towards pay being between $17 and $20 an hour. This company is also going to provide you all the computer equipment you need to get started, so you do not have to have a home office setup. But they are looking for someone to respond to Gametime customers fast to orders that require attention and work together as a team to deliver the best experience for fans in live entertainment access. They are looking for someone to efficiently and proactively handle orders with sellers via phone and through email. You'll be responsible for maintaining certain margins on order sourcing, respond quickly to order communications that require attention. You'll be going above and beyond for the Gametime experience when you are helping customers with purchasing needs. So you need to be passionate, be a product expert on all the Gametime products, and be answer any questions that the customers have. Now, they do not require any kind of a college degree. They are looking for someone who has good internet research skills, someone who has flexibility. They have shifts that start as early as 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and they have shifts that go as late as 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so they need you to be flexible in the shifts that you work. Someone who has good speaking and writing skills, someone who can be attentive and be a problem solver, someone who has experience with ticketing or customer service, and they want someone who is knowledgeable in the sports industry. That could be NBA, MLB, NFL, all of the things. Again, like I said earlier, pay is not listed, but online reviews tend to point towards $17 to $20 an hour. They do offer flexible pay time off, medical, dental, and vision insurance benefits, and 401k, and also new equipment setup provided. So they do provide all the computer equipment for you. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.